Good morning, teacher. My name is José Angulo, and this time I am here to talk you about Smaw welding. Welcome.
What is small? Manual art with reserved electrode is an electric arc welding process that uses a consumable coated metal root and the base metal. It is considered the most widely used welding process in the world of industry and metalworking. One of its advantages are easy handling for field or outdoor, can be welded in all positions, good penetration, greater mechanical resistance. The components of the small thing are electric power source, electrode holder, coated electrode, base metal, pole to ground or ground, port to electrode, brooch, metal hammer. Before starting the stick welding process, it is very important to have basic safety equipment such as protective cap, protective mask, welding mask, welded glove, leather apron, legging, safety shirt, leather jacket, leather pants. The process began by putting welding points to the plate so that they don't move. Normally, between 2 and 3 points are used depending on the size or length of the joint to be welded. It starts by making arc. The welding process in a small process. It is wire or electrode coated with fluff. It is one of the oldest for the welding process to join metal. Normally, an angle is used or the handle is grasped at an angle between 15 and 20 degrees. Else, slang is removed with the metal hammer. And finally, clean it with the brush. Obtain as a final result a highly resistant product for the labor market.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.